Okay, so welcome to today's video tutorial. We're going to be deploying Unikernels to DigitalOcean. We're going to be using this new DigitalOcean klib. Basically, it gives you memory metrics. So you can kind of see I just deployed this guy. Let me refresh this page here. Maybe we'll have a bigger graph. But yeah, it's using like, what, 6% of this 1 gig memory. So, not so much. This is pretty normal for like a very basic Go web server, 60 megs. You can kind of see this is our web server here. Just very basic code, obviously. Why is memory special versus like disk or network or something like that? Well, let's get into that. The hypervisors, which all the clouds are built on hypervisors, virtualization, they basically are not really allowed to kind of see into the guest without using special extensions. So when you want to report the guest memory versus, say, the host memory, you need some sort of agent inside. And DigitalOcean actually just made like a new metrics agent. But if you're running on Linux, you would have to do like a sudo apt-get install, yada yada, whatever their client is. We basically clone that as a klib, and so now you can deploy your unikernels there and then get your memory stats out. Let's jump in and see how that actually works. So we have our basic project, right? The web server I showed you. This is the web server that we use in all of our little examples. Just a simple 10-line web server here. We look at our config JSON, and most of this is pretty normal, right? Our cloud config, we're going to set the bucket name here to the DigitalOcean space I made. I'm going to SFO because I live right here in the Bay. Klibs, you include this, the klib DigitalOcean one. So this basically acts as our agent. And this is what's going to send our memory metrics on up. Then we have our manifest pass-through. So if you're familiar with Nano's TFS, there's this little kind of pass-through option where you can add stuff to the tuple space. In this case, we're going to tell the DigitalOcean klib to send metrics on a 2-minute interval. You can adjust this however you want. Obviously, it's dependent upon whatever DigitalOcean is going to want to accept on the back end. So, buyer beware. I don't know what all they actually accept here, but this is the default what they use in their agent. So this is what the default we had. You don't have to set this. We're just going to use 180 if you don't set it, but if you wanted to set it something else. So pretty basic. You got that, and then there's nothing special about the image instance create. I'll just show you real quick. If you haven't used DigitalOcean before, basically you need these 3 environment variables. One is your DO token, one is your spaces key, and your spaces secret key. Now we use spaces only as kind of like of an upload staging area. After that, we create a custom image and then we delete the stuff out of your spaces. But the way DigitalOcean actually works, you kind of need a place to upload to import as a custom image, and so that's why these are here. But other than that, it's just your normal image create, an instance create, and as you can see, the metrics are flowing in here. One caveat that you should know is that when you're using this metrics agent, we asked DigitalOcean about this, and they told us that if you're using the new metrics agent, you can't actually use the old metric system that they have. They don't allow them both at the same time. So some others will be zeroed out. Anyways, hopefully this is going to work out for you all that are using DigitalOcean, and I guess we'll see you on the other side. Till then, bye.